Most people chase happiness in all the wrong ways, but if you quit these three everyday habits, your joy is guaranteed. Quit procrastinating on your goals. Some people dream of success while others wake up and work hard at it. Action and change are often resistant when they are needed most. The secret to getting ahead is simply getting started. To forget about the finish line and just concentrate on taking your first small imperfect step. Quit blaming others and making excuses. Stop blaming others for what you have or don't have, or for what you feel or don't feel. When you blame others for what you're going through, you deny responsibility and perpetuate the problem. Stop giving your power away and start taking responsibility for your life. Blaming is just another sorry excuse. Make excuses change nothing. You and only you are responsible for the next step you take. Quit trying to avoid changes. If nothing ever happened, there would be no sunrise the next morning. Most of us are comfortable where we are, even though the whole universe is constantly changing around us. Learning to accept this is vital to our happiness and success, because only when we change do we grow and begin to see a world we never knew was possible. And don't forget, however good or bad situation is now, it will change. So embrace it, keep moving forward. Quit trying to control the uncontrollable. Some forces are out of our control, but we can always control how we react. The best thing we can do is let go of what we cannot control and invest our energy in the things we can, like our attitude. Quit talking down to yourself. One of the major reasons we face is self-doubt and negative self-talk. Listening to the running script in your mind and replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Over time, you will change the trajectory of your life. Quit criticizing others. The negativity towards others will gradually harm your own happiness. So stop worrying about the flaws you see in everyone else. Focus on yourself, let the constant growth and improvement in your own life keep you so busy that you have no time left to criticize others. Quit running from your problem and fear. Trust us, if everyone knows their problem in a file for you to see, you would probably grab yours back. The best approach is to face them head on, no matter how difficult they may seem. Fear is in particular stop you from taking chances and making decisions. Take them on one small step at a time, on them so they can't own you. Quit living in another time and place. The past is gone and the future isn't here yet. No matter how much time we spend thinking and lamenting about either, it doesn't change anything. One of life's sharpest paradoxes is that our brightest future hinges on our ability to pay attention to what we are doing right now today. Don't fantasize about being on vacation while at work. Don't worry about the work piling up on your desk when you are on vacation. Live for now. Notice the beauty unfolding around you. Quit trying to someone you are not. One of the greatest challenges in life is being yourself in a world that is trying to make you like everyone else. Someone will always be prettier, smarter, and younger, but they will never be you. Be yourself, and the right person. Quit being ungrateful. Remember, not all the puzzle pieces of life will seem to fit together at first, but in time you will realize they do perfectly. So thank the things that did not work out because they just made room for the things that you will. And thank the one who walked away from you because they just made room for the ones who want. No matter how good or bad you have it, wake up each day thankful for your life, move forward with gratitude. So listen, if even one of these habits hit you today, imagine what your life could look like 6 months from now. If you actually quit them, happiness doesn't come from doing more. It comes from stopping what's hurting you. If this video gave you clarity, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs this reminder today. And if you're serious about upgrading your mindset and building a happier life, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now because every week I'm bringing powerful content that can literally change your thinking. Comment below which habits are you quitting first. Let's grow together.